everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. So guys, as you can see, we have a slow, methodical crawl here. It seems like this isn't even a Bitcoin update, but you see what's going on here. 3 peaks to the top. We're going to see what happens, but this doesn't look great. But just like I did with XLM, this is going to be a DGB update. I'm going to start doing it like this instead of just going through all the coins. I'm going to start to just do, if it's XRP, it's an XRP update. If it's an exclusive to DGB, that's what it is. If it's a breaking alert on XLM or ZIL or VeChain, I'd rather do it like this so that I can start to pull in more crowds instead of having all my content stuck within one video. So this will allow me to put more content out per day and, you know, be more exclusive for the coin I'm covering on that particular update. So with DGB, I want to do something real quick because I'm not satisfied with that. It's been bothering me every time I look at this. More like that. DGB in the 15 minute, it's still hard to get the data, but if you look in the 5 minute, it looks like it's got a shoulder, you know, it's round in this mini cup and handle, and it's going to pour out. It's just a slow, methodical crawl for DGB. We have an uptrending support line that's up to about 40, where's we at right now? About 4085, 407 range. If it falls below that uptrending support, it's not going to be good news at all. We can go over here, pull it out to the 15, and we can show you the downtrending resistance line, and it will eventually meet. You know, that's downtrending resistance, uptrending support. This usually ends if there's no volume. You end up crashing after this. So eventually, the box is getting tighter, guys, ladies and gentlemen. That's the downsloping support. You got or resistance 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th one now. If it continues, then you got the upsloping support line. You got 1, 2, and now we'll see if this third one, what it's going to do. But you see the downslope. This is within the current trend, guys, in the 15 minute. But you see the downsloping resistance line on DGB and the upsloping support line. That's going to meet right around where I did the line. And once it meets there, it's going to have to make a decision. So decision time's getting closer and closer on these. Instead of having to wait 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, then 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Now we're starting to get into the 2-3 day range, and then after that it gets even smaller. So, but just pay attention. DGB is going to move very quickly once it gets rejected, and I don't want people to get killed. But I also wanted to make sure if we had a jump coming to 4.7, it would have been nice for me to get on it too. So that's what I've been paying attention very closely to. With no volume, I can't get. I just in good faith and good conscience can't get in. It's just I can't do it. It doesn't speak to me that anything's going to happen except close out this descending resistance line and the uptrending support line. It's going to meet right there at about 4169 in my opinion. On, well, it's actually already met pretty much, but I think it's going to meet around 4131 roughly, somewhere in here. Let me make sure. About 4145 is where I think it's going to meet. And then it's going to have to make a decision because that should be the right shoulder. And because it's going to be the right shoulder by the time it gets there, it seems to signify to me that DGB is going to be on a downswing. So T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. If I had to guess, just from this current pattern, I would say this is kind of rounding the top. You might get one more burst up. But it definitely seems like it's rounding a top, and then it might layer down. But that's what it looks like. I have high hopes for DGB in the future, obviously, and I have high hopes on the next swing. It might be DGB because it's so cheap. It might be able to outdo XRP in terms of percentage, but it's going to be so low that if XRP gets into that 48 cent range or lower, I'm going deep on XRP and XLM and DGB, as you guys know. Stay true, stay blessed. If you want to join Tom's Army, we have 216 current members. There's a link in the description. If that doesn't work, you're going to have to go onto my YouTube page through a desktop browser because there is a bug on cell phone devices through some app stores to where it won't allow you to join through the app. it's not just my YouTube. This is a wide-ranging problem with YouTube that's been going on for a very long time, and they just won't fix it. So, and then if you want to donate, links in the description. Stay true, stay blessed. Hashtag be better, do better.